Hey everyone, Jessica here, and in this video I'm going to give you a really quick breakdown of how to use the wet paint brushes that come with your brush sampler. So to get started, I'm going to scroll down here, and here you have the preview of the two wet paint brushes that come with your sampler. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my Wet Paint Studio Brush 4, and I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom of my PSD file. And I am going to make sure that the layer is selected that says Wet Paint Palette, and I'm going to hover over and pick a color to load up into my brush. So I'm going to hit Option and click if I'm on a Mac, and then you can click Alt, I believe, on a PC to select the color. So I'm going to hit Option, click, and that's going to load up that orange color palette into my brush. Then I'm going to go over here to my document and just paint a brush stroke, and you're going to see these beautiful blends come out. And I'll just go down here and show you another one. Let's go to the green, hit Option Select, and I can go over here and paint it, and you get the wonderful color dynamics, and you can mix colors and blend them in amazing and different ways. And some of my other color blends that come with my other color collections are really spectacular. So if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments below. But I also have an entire playlist if you want to go in depth or you need some more instruction on using the Wet Paint Studio. So I hope you enjoy playing with these, and happy creating.